Good day everybody, Peter here from RVfinders, and today I'm bringing you the first edition of our RVfinders Thursday Tips. Now the first tip that I would like to share is that when it comes to buying a motorhome or caravan, you've got to look at your lifestyle choices first. There are a lot of people that go and what their friends have got or what the salesperson at the RV dealership are telling them what they should get, but the main thing is to sit down and tick the boxes, and mostly of where you're going to use it, how you're going to use it, and with whom you're going to use your brand new motorhome or caravan. So that is in a nutshell our first tip of the day. If you would like to know more about how to tick the boxes and to just bring a look at all the options, you can contact us at rvfinders.co.nz, and we can, or our Facebook page also, and we could really see how we can help you best. So thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next Thursday tip. Goodbye.